Hi, my name is Carlos. I did LASIK recently. I had a great experience here at Motwani's office. No complaints. The process was super easy, super quick. I was under surgery for about 6 minutes and was very painless. Was super impressed with the quality of work, how quickly I can tell that they were very experienced. I was nearsighted, so I had very poor vision. I couldn't see -3 on both eyes, and now it's very incredible. I can see. I don't have to deal with the issues of putting my contacts in, wearing glasses, sweating at the gym. Like, it's just super painless, super well organized, and I have perfect vision ever since. Have no complaints and easy, no issues, so it was great. I was recommended by my boss, Phil Green, who also went under the process and came highly recommended. I highly recommend this to all my friends and families who have the same stigmatism issues that I've had. I fully would go through this program again. I'm still here going through the process afterwards. Yeah, thank you.